Hey, good morning. Happy Thanksgiving. Bob from Trade Genius here. I'm going to do a quick crypto roundup per the money machine, and uh, and I'm going to focus on anything that's traded against fiat dollar. Phil's the Bitcoin guy, and he'll talk about any ratio trades with Bitcoin in any of his videos. So I'm going to leave that to him, and I'm just going to focus on the um, the dollar trades against the cryptos. So here's Bitcoin Cash. Our view of Trade Genius is that this is not a long-term viable solution, and these are kind of pump and dumps. And this here, we've seen this in silver before. You get a big move, you get an echo move, and this move is likely to fail too. So, you know, unless you're a true believer in Bitcoin Cash, there's no buy signal on it, and it's something that we would stay away from. Okay, Bitcoin itself, I'll leave that to Phil, but our view is 10,000 by January. Okay, Dash. Phil talked about this yesterday, or video that came out this morning, and it's still long. And this is opposite of Bitcoin Cash. Had this big move, and then it broke that high. So likely it'll consolidate again, and then we'll see. But it's looking good. So now you just have to manage your position, your sizing, and if it falls back below here, you probably might want to take profit and rethink the next buy signal. Okay, Ethereum is the one I've been talking about for quite some time. It's looking good. There's a good chance it'll come back and consolidate. Just something to keep an eye on. But it's been so suppressed and consolidating for such a long period of time that this is likely a breakout with some legs. So I'm staying with it, 5 to 600. To me, if it gets below 375 here, then I'll take profit for this run. Okay, Litecoin's on the move too, and probably at this point, you're looking probably at 82, 83 opportunity, and then potential consolidation, but if not, it's going to go up to here, 94. Phil's view is this is a triple digit, and no reason not to believe him. The day trading money machine told you to buy at 60, so you're in the chips here to 20% plus, so almost 30% right now. Okay, Neo had its move, and like I said, when you get big wicks like this and it falls back into the linear regression channel, you should have took profit in here. Just wait for the next setup. It's bear flagging right now. Chances are it can come all the way back down to the moving average here. So I wouldn't be long Neo at the moment, but again, they're a buy signal. These are worth buying because these moves tend to be pretty nice, and take advantage of when you can. Okay, next, had a rocket move too. Same thing. You got a big hammer here now. So if you're an aggressive trader, you may want to wait for it to fall back to the here, or if you're conservative, you probably would have took profit on this wick. But it's holding right now, so if you're in it, I'd stay in at least to here. If not, see if it makes move higher. Okay. Stellar, we talked about this too. I mentioned this last week in a post. It's looking good. It's a really nice move here. 36 to right now it's 43. So it's a 20% move. I like this over Ripple. I like IBM backing it versus banks backing it. And so, but again, you get buy signals on these. They tend to rip, and then you just hop off and go back to stacking Bitcoin. And then here's one we've been waiting on. Consolidating, nice triangle here. No buy signal. So just waiting on it. The money flow is still coming back in and recharging. So as long as this thing keeps making higher lows, then we're going to be okay. But if not, it may come all the way back down to here before you get our next move higher. But again, Just waiting for the next buy signal on Vertcoin. And then Ripple's made a 20% move, about almost 20% move since its buy signal. But again, this is just a trade. You know, everything's starting to move and breaking out, and Ripple's still just in a band here, and it looks like a shoulder to me, with these wicks notwithstanding. So you know, if you're in it, you know, just manage your trade. But you know, unless this thing breaks over right here, 30, I think it's 31, 28 here, then I wouldn't think this is going into a new range. So, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy your Thanksgiving and Black Friday specials. Come trade with us, get the software, come in the room. You know, I'm just scratching the surface of some of the ways these guys are making money on cryptocurrencies. But you have to be in the room to get the insight and enjoy it. You get courses, and there's just packages galore, priced really well. And just some of the trades that we recommended in the last 2 weeks would have paid for years worth of our service. So come join us, come trade with us. Have a great day. Bye-bye.